Today we talk about how can you select with voice on your Waze app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You will find here voice and sound, just click on it. So then here into you will find here with voice, just click on it. And here can you select with voice in this list here. Here if you want to add new voice here. So that's all you have to do to add your voice uh, or with voice app. So can you add it here? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.